Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So this is Declutter My Space. So if you guys are decluttering an area, organizing an area, or deep cleaning, then this is the collab for you. Now, this collaboration is normally once a month. At least that's what I intended it for. But because I have so much to do, I am running it every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to join me. So make sure and use the hashtag if you're decluttering a space, if you're organizing deep cleaning motivation. Make sure, guys, use the hashtag, and I'd be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, let's go ahead and make some progress here. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button for watching the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now make sure and head on over to my community tab, because there from my main channel I have a calendar of collaborations. They're open invitations for everyone to enjoy, and I keep all of them posted in the community tab. I have 3 channels, and I'm going to list all 3 below. The first one, which is my main one, is the Grace Life DIY home decor. Then we have this one, which is Simply Grace Lifestyle, which is an overflow of that one but more home life. And then we have Moments of Grace, which is my journey with Charis Bible College. I graduated Charis Bible College, but now I'm continuing education into a leadership program and then teaching academy. So this is an amazing journey that you don't want to miss. Now, sometimes it seems that I'm moving stuff around. I'm moving it from this corner to that corner to that corner. But really, I have a method to this, this Total madness. I have flowers from the Dollar Tree for I don't even know how many years. And I just refuse to let them go. And I need to sort through them. I literally have 4 containers of all kinds of flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I really got to start letting these go. And then I'm also packing clothes. I'm also sorting stuff. So it might look like I'm not doing very much, but I really am trying to organize, guys. It's so hard. Okay, now pretty much I am done. I don't know exactly how much progress I made here, but I did organize that corner over there. And as you can see, look at all these florals that are still left to get put in containers. We're gonna tackle that in the next in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And yes, we are having a thunderstorm. It's crazy. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.